Good afternoon, everyone. It is October 24th at Kyushu Institute of Technology, Monday afternoon, fifth period for English 7D, English presentations. Okay, let's take a look at what you're going to be doing. Today is class 3, and what I want to do is go over a lot of the schedule for you to make sure that you understand what's coming up, because there are a few things that are coming up. Number one, your first presentation, PR1, presentation 1, is coming up in 2 weeks on November 7th. November 7th, we're going to be having your first presentation. Today we're practicing, next week we're practicing. So both of these days, the today on the third class and the fourth class, we're going to be practicing a lot. The manuscript that I wanted you guys to prepare from last week, that was from class 2, that chapter 1 manuscript right here. There are some of you who still have not sent that in. I believe there should be 27 people, and I've got only 26. So one person I think has not yet done theirs. Now, if you haven't done it yet because you just started class, I understand, but you need that manuscript soon. Now, today, class 3 here, class 3, come on. Class 3, we're going to be practicing that manuscript, and we're going to be improving the manuscript as well, too. And after the manuscript is improved, that is the assignment that you need to submit here. So today, we're going to be looking at your manuscript. We're going to be improving it using a piece of software actually that's actually quite good called Grammarly. We're going to be using that Grammarly website to improve your manuscript, to practice your basic presentation. And then before October 30th, which is the Saturday before next week, I want you to give me your improved self-introduction manuscript. You also have, again, another reflection. This is a TED Talk by Shinpei Takahashi, and it's in Japanese, so it's not going to be too difficult for you to understand, but I want you to watch his style, and I want you to think about what he does to actually make his presentation much better, the way he speaks, and most notably, that he does not look at a piece of paper. A lot of you with an English presentation, you still look at a piece of paper when you do an English presentation, and that presentation really looks bad. So I want you to learn how to give a presentation properly. Now, he's doing his in Japanese. You're going to be doing yours in English. I know that's a different world, but you have to start preparing for that. That's why we're here in this class. Now, a couple of other things. Class 4, we're practicing again. And then class 5, we're going to be giving the presentations, okay? Now, that basically gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 classes to prepare the first presentation. And from there, the next presentation will be class 10. So it's a little bit less. We're going to be having just 1, 2, 3, 4 classes for preparation until the second presentation, which is a pair presentation. That will be 2 people. You'll find a partner to work with. And then after class 10, your group presentation is on February 6th. So that means that you have really only 1, 2, 3, 4 classes to prepare, because there's a test on January 30th, okay? Now, some of you are thinking, well, wait, don't we have a class on February 13th? No, actually, I want to change that, and that's why we have a makeup class on November 28th. November 28th, if you look at your schedule, there's no class on November 28th, but I changed the schedule because I cannot be here on February 13th. So instead, we will have a class on November 28th. And I'll show you that a little bit later, but I want you to make sure that you look at this schedule because there are a lot of changes in it. And in 2 weeks, it's going to be your first presentation. Oh, and also one more thing here. Where was it here? It's, no, where was it? Was it the 21st? And I don't remember. Okay, there's one class that's going to be on demand. And then I thought I marked it, but I haven't found it. So I'm not going to, will I find it before? No, I guess I won't find. Oh, there it is. This class, the 26th. Hasn't shown up yet. The 26th, right there. It says on demand. That's going to be an on-demand class. You don't have to come to this class. It's just a series of assignments that you can do at home. That's an on-demand class on the 26th. Okay. Now, I'm going to be taking this recording and I'm going to be putting it on the website. I've been meaning to do that in the first and second classes. The first class, my iPad wasn't working. The second class, I just plainly forgot to record. Very sorry about that. But this recording, I will be putting on the website for people who want to check again what the assignments are. In any case, let's have a good class. Thank you very much. Oh, and if you have any questions, remember, please email me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Okay, thank you very much.